Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present about discrete structure. Okay, for the title is division in the integer. Okay, for group member, my name is AFIFAH binti Muhammad YUSOF and my matric number is 277442. And my team member is NURULAIN IZZATI binti Muhammad FIZAL 279730. Okay, in this topic we have two subtopic which is GCD and LCM. Okay, first I will explain about GCD. Okay, GCD is greatest common division, largest number that divide evenly into a given set of number. It is useful to know this for reducing fractions. That you can see this explanation about GCD. Okay, GCD have two methods. That's we can find the GCD. For the first is Euclidean algorithm, and for the second is prime number techniques. Okay, first I will explain about Euclidean algorithm. Okay, I will explain about the example. Okay, for the first, A equal to 186, B equal to 34. Okay, find GCD 186, 34 using Euclidean algorithm. Okay, for the first you need to divide 186 by 34. You can get 5. After 5, you need to multiply 5 multiply 34. You can get 170. And after you get 170, you need to minus 186 minus 170. You can get remainder 16. Okay, for the seconds, 34. Divide 34 by 16. You can get 2. And after that, 2 multiply 16, you can get 32. 32 minus 34, you can get 2 for the remainder. Okay, for this next, divide 16 by 2, you can get 8. After 8 multiply 2, you can get 16, and for the remainder 0. After find GCD, the next technique to find S and T. This the formula D equal to SA plus TB. Okay, to find S and T by using the formula D equal to SA plus TB. Okay, after you get a GCD, okay, for the first and the seconds, okay, after that you insert 34 minus 2 multiply 6 in this formula. After that, you change 16 to the second GCD, which is 186 minus 5 multiply 34. After that, you simplify this one to 34 minus 2 multiply 186 and get this, and 2 multiply 5, you can get 10 multiply 34. Okay, after that you simplify to 34, and this one you can get 1134 multiply 34 minus 2 multiply 186. Okay, for the S, minus 2, T equal to 11.
Next, I will explain about GCD by using prime number technique. Okay, for example, the question give find GCD 186 and 34 by using prime number technique. Find the D. Okay, we know that the largest one we need to level with A, and the second number we level with B. Okay, first of all, we must know what is the prime number technique. What is a prime number? Okay, prime number is the whole number greater than 1 that cannot exactly divide by any whole number that other than itself. That means 1. Okay, this is that we can show this is the prime number technique, which is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Okay, after we know what is the prime number, we can solve this question. Okay, first step, we need to solve this part with using prime number technique. Okay, 816 divided by 2. Why we choose 2? Because 2 is the least of prime number. We get 93. We choose another number that can divide by 93 is 3, and we get 31. What 31? What is the prime number that can divide with 31? It's also 31, and finally we get the answer is 1. If you get the answer 1, so the step is settled, and you need to do the same step for 34. After finish all the steps to get the prime number, we can list all the prime number that you can get. So for 816 we get 2 power of 1. Why we put 2 power of 1? Because in this part only have 1, 2. So 3 power of 1 because 3 have 1 only. Okay, same with this part, also same because 2 power of 1 because have only 2 here. Okay, after we list these 2 part, we can do the explanation like here. We can list all the number that have or not have. If the number that did not have in this list, we need to put with power of 0 like this. Okay, why we put 3 power of 0? Because in this step we don't have a 3, so we need to change with 3 power of 0. Same like these 2 number. After we list, we can conclude the mean list, the mean root, because important is GCB we need to choose the mean root. So what is the mean root for this all? So 2 power of 1, 3 power of 0, 70 power of 0, and 31 power of 0. In this part, it's important to you know where is the mean root. So 1 and 0, which is the mean root? So 0. So we choose the mean root is 0. We list all this, and we need to multiply all this number by using calculator, and calculator will give answer 2. So that's all the step for GCB by using prime number technique. Okay, next I will explain about the LCM. Okay, for LCM we also have a 2 technique, which is we can use the max root and we can use GCB. Okay, what is the LCM? LCM is the largest common multiply in the smaller number that is common between 2 lists of multiplies. Okay, this is the little bit introduction for the LCM. Okay, this is the LCM. We take the same question, 186 and 34. Okay, there are same explanation like before, but in this part we focus on the max roots. So we list all the prime number that we can divide here. Okay, the difference between GCB and LCM that I said before is max and min root. For LCM we take max. So 2 power of 1, 3 is the max root is 3 power of 1, 17 power of 1, and 31 power of 1. 31 power of 1. So the root is, we can get answer 3162. Next, I will explain LCM by using GCD. Okay, first of all, the question is 186 and B is 34. So LCM is we need to multiply these 2 number, divide by 2. Why is 2? Because our D is 2. So when we divide this using calculator, we will get this answer for LCM.